Hey everyone, welcome to Sound Like a Local. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful and misunderstood parts of real-life English, the music of your voice. We're talking about intonation. Have you ever asked a question, but people thought you were making a statement, or tried to sound excited, but you came across as bored? That's all because of your intonation, and it's a total game changer. This isn't about memorizing rules. It's about hearing and feeling the rhythm of the language. Think of your voice as a little roller coaster. It has two main moves, going up and coming down. Move number 1, the upward roller coaster. When you're asking a question that can be answered with a simple yes or no, your voice naturally goes up at the end. It's like you're putting a little question mark at the end of your sentence. Let's try a few. I'll say the sentence, then you repeat it, making sure your voice goes up at the end. Is it too late? Are you hungry? Did you call? The move number 2 is the downward roller coaster. For everything else, statements and questions that start with who, what, where, when, and why, your voice goes down at the end. It's definitive. It's like your voice is saying, okay, my sentence is over now. Let's practice this one too. I'm coming later. What did you say? She's happy. Intonation is also how we show emotion. A single phrase can mean completely different things depending on how you say it. Let's try it. I'll say the phrase, then you try to guess what emotion I'm showing. Listen to this. I'm going to say, oh, really? Now, did that sound excited, surprised, or maybe a little bit like I don't believe you? It was sarcastic or disbelieving because my voice dropped at the end. How about this one? That's great. Did that sound like I was truly happy for you, or did it sound bored? A flat tone means I'm probably bored, but if I say it with a big, bright upward lift, it means I'm really excited. Now for the real test, I'm going to say a sentence and you have to decide, is it a statement or a question? I'll give you a second to decide and then I'll tell you the answer. First one, you're tired. I said that as a statement with a downward tone. I'm telling you that you are tired. Now listen to this, you're tired? I said that as a question with an upward tone. I'm asking you if you are tired. See? The words are exactly the same, but the intonation changes everything. This is what unlocks that natural flow we're always talking about. So, next time you're listening, don't just hear the words. Listen to the music, listen to the roller coaster, and when you practice, make sure you're telling your listener what you mean, with your voice. Thanks for joining me today on Sound Like a Local. I hope this episode gave you a new way to think about fluency and, of course, helped you practice your real-life English. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep sounding like a local.